Hello everybody, Lurgs here, welcome to my channel, and today it's the Volkswagen Transporter T5, how to install a gear stick knob badge cover trim cap emblem thingy. And I'm in the beast here, and all you're going to need today is a pair of pliers. Now this is the gear knob cap that I'm going to be replacing. This is quite a common fault, the divots on the back just snap off. And that's the EAM number on the back if you want to order a new one, but I got one off a well-known auction site, and with the magic of technology it's already arrived. And I got one with a nice kind of chrome silver trim around the outside, and it's got the 3 clips there. Now what we need to do first is remove these 3 clips that have snapped off in the gear knob. So for that, take your flat nose ended pliers, just get a good grip and pull. Whilst I'm pulling these out, there's a link above about the fuse box locations and how to check the fuses on this van, and also the location of the secret fuse. Just the last one to pull out here. Great stuff. Hopefully they've pulled out and not left any debris inside, otherwise you'll need to remove that. Then take your new gear stick knob cap, line it up with the holes, make sure it's nice and parallel, and then just gently push it in. You might need to get a good grip on the gear knob, and then just push it home. There we go, that's slotted in. Just give it a good squeeze there. Put my foot on the clutch. Nice. Tell you what, I'm pretty pleased with that. That looks really smart. Time for a quick cup of tea. I hope that was useful to you. Up on the top left there's a link on the fuse box locations and how to check the fuses. Up on the top right there's a link on how to reset the service light on this Volkswagen T5 Transporter. And in the bottom left, what to do if your windscreen washer jets are not working. Safe driving to you.